Oh, guys and girls, I have messed up. These are the cause of all my troubles with this BMW. I refurbed the lips and I got bigger tyres. 215/45 17s. I had 205 4017s and they were too stretched and kept losing air. So I put them on and they rubbed. So I've started one arch and it rubbed on this back area here. So I started doing some flaring and I messed up a bit, but it's fixable. It's always fixable. It's because they're double skinned. And there is no room in there for these wheels. But yeah, we sorted it. And it's going to take me a few days and I'll just bring you along for the process. Also, can we just take time? My car's a 24-year-old car. Look how clean she is under that bumper. So I'm going to start. I just tested some stone chip on there. I might as well stone chip it while it's off to get some extra protection. Okay, so here's the process I've done. I've now slotted the two skins on the inside. I'm going to pump my wheel up to 50 psi, put it on the car, jack it up, and then I'm going to do the professional way of using a jack handle and rolling it round and massaging the arch out to where I want it to be. There, but it's the back. It's this back part here that's the problem. Let's have a look. Okay, so this portion still needs doing. The inner part looks pretty good, and then I'll just come down level to here maybe. So, here we go. I think we're about there. So we've got plenty of clearance around this back now. And I've jacked up both wheels. There's a nice little fingers width around there. And same with this. There's a nice little fingers gap around there. Plan now, I'm just gonna rub them down with some 120 maybe. I just want something for the filler to key to and let it dry for a couple of days and then we'll get back to this. So let's do that. Can't stand this kind of work, so I've put a nice layer of filler on. I'm not good at this stuff, so let's come back in a couple of days and see how it turns out. made it to the paint shop in Croydon. Here we go. Romantic Rot Metallic. Let's hope this does the trick. Here's the filler work I'd done a couple of days ago. So it's Saturday now. I've done this on Thursday evening after work. So this is rock hard. Let's get this sanded down. Gone 40, 120, 240, 320 and 800 to get to this stage. So I know all you YouTube haters out there are going to be commenting. I'm not after perfection, I'm after 10 foot. At the end of the day, she's a 1995 compact. Don't expect miracles, but at least it'll be protected from rust and back to one colour. So it's got a mask up now. I'm gonna sweep up and get some high build primer on. Done a bit more masking, and I'm just gonna keep. Oh god, he fell over. I'm just gonna keep layering this up. This one needs another little fill. I don't know if you can see it. There's a couple of little dimples. So I can go around and fill that afterwards. Like I said, I'm no painter. I hate this kind of work. Eventually, I'm gonna wrap this car. I want to wrap it black, maybe. So this is all gonna get covered. So it's sort of just more of a temporary fix until I can wrap it in summer. But it's better than rust. It's better than rust. Okay, so I've done another few coats. I'm gonna leave it today and come back to this tomorrow. So it's Sunday lunchtime. It's all nice and dry, and before I went out yesterday, I just put some filler in the little dimples. So I'm just gonna sand this all back, clean fully, get all the dust away, and then hopefully get some red on. Oh, how satisfying is that? Got to look after the old girl, and I've got a bucket of water. I've got 800. I made a little foam sanding block out of some stuff I'd lying around. So let's wet sand this in. Right, I actually got too excited and just started painting. So this is actually a third coat. I just left it for 20 minutes, come back, and the colour match is actually really good. And then I'm actually going BMXing now, so I'll try and get a few clips for the video. just got back in from riding. Don't think the colour matches too bad. Obviously it needs clear coat. It's dull at the moment where I've 1200'd it up there, but should polish up nice. Day 4, I think it's day 4. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. 5. Colour was dry overnight. It's now Monday morning. I've just given it a quick 1200, just a slightly bigger area of 1200 to add it, so when I go in with a lacquer I can go above the layer of colour but then not back onto original lacquer. So let's shoot some clear. So I've done about 10 coats. I know it looks orange peely now, but it dries smoother. I'll wet sand it back and polish it. So I'm going to leave this to dry at least until tomorrow afternoon. I don't think it's too bad. I said I'm not after perfection. I messed up and burnt through the paint. And I accidentally hit the plasticky bit of the foam pad on there and caused a couple of scuffs, but she looks good. Test drive up the road and not rubbing, so yeah, quite happy with that. So proof that you can do it with spray cans. Just finishing off the day, repairing a cracked alloy. Done a few of these now, they're hard. The metal's always so dirty. Oh my god, look at my gas. None left. I'm gonna finish with some practice on some stainless. I'm a lucky boy. I got me a set of the Furic cups. They're so good. I've prepped some pie cuts. I'm just gonna make a little lobster tail. I'm just gonna tack it together and see how good I go. So basically I've come to the conclusion that no one can weld stainless, and the people on Instagram must be part of the Illuminati, because no matter what I try, it just gets dull. I have no idea how they do it. I need way more practice.